This is the first job in the world, but for some reason people do not refer to it as the oldest job in the world. Raising children has been around since the beginning of time, but are you aware of the 3 different techniques that you can apply or you are already unconsciously applying? Regardless if you are having a perfect relationship with your child or one that needs improvement, watch this video and make a conscious decision about how you desire to be as a parent. The first is the authority method, or negative discipline. In other words, it is the discipline through fear and punishment. And it is saying that if little Timmy is doing something wrong, little Timmy gets punished. Although he can get his ass kicked right from the beginning, some parents prefer to start with a quarrel or the removal of certain rights. You don't teach Timmy what he should be doing, rather you teach him what not to do. Though nowadays it is formally regarded as an unhealthy or an obsolete technique, some say that this is the method to use when nothing else seems to work. What parents should consider is that when consistently applied, this method can inflict permanent damage to Timmy's personality, ultimately leading to rebellious behavior or worse. Children mirror grown-ups' behavior, so when an adult is abusing in some way a smaller being, he sends the message that this is unacceptable behavior and Timmy will end up doing the same. The next technique is the guidance method, or positive discipline. The fundamentals for this approach are simple. If Timmy is doing something good, Timmy gets a candy. The little angel is motivated to do more of the things that capture his parents' attention and therefore getting the well-deserved reward. It might be that this technique has also a drawback. Timmy might not clean his room because cleaning the room is the right thing to do, but because Daddy is going to buy him a new bicycle. Studies show that in those corporations with incentive system in place, the employees tend to develop over time a habit of doing only those activities that get highly rewarded, while others being rather ignored or performed with lower quality. If grown-ups can develop such a behavior, what can we expect from Timmy? The most recent technique is the one of unconditional parenting, or unconditional love. This approach says that Timmy should feel love and appreciation in any circumstance, even if he's screwing something up, and you can be sure he will. The parent's affection is no longer used as a currency, but instead, the troublemaker is treasured in all situations. Grown-ups should have the same caring and loving stance when celebrating a great mark at school, or when replacing the window that Timmy broke. So Daddy and Mommy move from being the authority towards being mentors that will help little Timmy become a smart and balanced man. However, even the most loving and determined mom and dad are humans. As a parent, you will be more emotional than rational, so don't be too hard on yourself if you find this technique difficult to apply in some particular instances. Just keep going. Even the best of parents are naughty sometimes. So these are the 3 main parenting approaches that along the years have shaped our interactions with children. Without saying that one is better than the other, it is up to you to find the perfect mixture. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and help other Wheezy parents discover it. We would love to know your opinions, so write in the comments below what works best for you or where do you struggle when raising children. Subscribe and stay tuned for our next exciting video.